Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning English with Kate. Did you ever want to encourage your friends, but you weren't sure how to do it? Well, today I'm going to teach you 10 ways on how to encourage someone. So here we go. So your friend needs some encouragement. Well, here we go. The first way is to say, keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. This is if somebody got a really high mark, for example, on their test, and you want to encourage them to keep going. So you tell them, keep up the good work. Keep going with this. The second one is a little bit different. That was a nice try. That was a nice try. You say this after someone made a good effort but failed or got the wrong answer. So for example, you are a teacher and your student says the wrong answer. You can always encourage them to keep trying by saying, that was a nice try, but not quite. Let's try it again. The third one is if you see that somebody is getting better at something, so you say, that's a real improvement. That's a real improvement. So for example, they were getting 50% on their math test, but now they suddenly started getting 70s and 80s, and you say, that is awesome, that's a real improvement. The next one is you're on the right track. You're on the right track. So for example, you see that somebody keeps getting the right answers, and you see that they will finish very well, so you say, you're on the right track. The next one is used when the person is not quite finished what they're doing, but they almost got it. So you say, you've almost got it. You've almost got it. The next one is, you're doing great. This is usually used when you see that someone is doing a good job at something and you want to encourage them to keep going. The next one is when someone is not doing so well and they're having some difficulties with their job or whatever it is that they're doing. So you say, don't give up, or hang in there. Don't give up, hang in there. Keep going with what you're doing and eventually you're going to get it right. The next one is also used as encouragement not to give up. You say, you can do it. So for example, your friend is trying to climb a wall and you keep telling them, come on, you can do it. I know you can. The next one is give it your best shot, meaning you want them to try. So maybe they don't know the answer to the question, but you want them at least to guess. Give it their best effort. So you say, come on, give it your best shot. And the last one, when they are succeeding at something, you say, nice job, you did great. So you usually say this when they're done and they have completed a good job, or maybe got that 90% on the math test. You say, nice job, you did great. You can even follow it up with a high five. I hope you guys found this video very helpful. And until next time, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with everyone you know. Take care. Bye.